How you feeling today?
My lower back hurts, actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's going on? You do anything to it, or?
Yeah, I was wrestling the Sanderson sisters.
The what?
Some hocus pocus vibes out here.
All right, good one. Good one.
No, I hurt my back lifting weights last week. I was doing some deadlifts and some squats and felt something kind of twinge. So I need some realignment.
Gotcha. All the way out.
Oh yeah, that felt good.
Good.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that felt good.
Really good one.
Dang.
Ooh.
Man, that was good.
Oh. Whew. Wow.